Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 2-bath ground floor apartment in Autumn Acres complex. It's a very immaculate unit, well taken care of. You just move in. Can't wait to show you this one, so come on right in. So welcome to this immaculate 2-bed, 2-bath ground floor apartment. So we have the kitchen fitted with an extractor fan, stove and undercounter oven. To the left we've got the pantry, double sink and space for a dishwasher. We also have a breakfast bar. But wait, that's not all. There's also space for a washing machine and a tumble dryer. You can also fit your double door fridge as well. So the kitchen is tiled throughout, and then we've got the open plan lounge which leads to the balcony. The entire apartment has vinyl flooring except for the bathrooms and kitchen, which has tiles throughout. So have a look at that. Very beautifully furnished. Maybe if you can put in a good price, I can negotiate that nice table for you. So we've got the open plan lounge here. Like I said, it leads to the spacious balcony. The balcony has a washing line and a built-in braai area. So back inside. So here we have the first bedroom, the smaller bedroom. You can fit a queen-size bed, but this one is a double, as you can see, with a small office study desk type of vibe here. Like I mentioned, vinyl flooring throughout, and you also have built-in cupboards as well. So now to the shared bathroom. So this bathroom has a bathtub and tiled from top to bottom, so you don't have to worry about ever painting the bathroom. Fitted with blinds as well, which will be staying, and pretty well taken care of, very neat as well. And that is your shared bathroom. So now to the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom. Very spacious, as you can see, queen size bed there. The built-in cupboards as well. But wait, that's not all. It has its own in-suite bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. So this bathroom has a shower, the other one has a bathtub. So nice and neat as well, tiled from top to bottom. Also don't have to worry about ever painting this place, or this bathroom, and fitted with blinds which will be staying. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, very immaculate unit, ground floor. So if you're interested, click on the link below to schedule a private viewing.